In this video, I am going to show you the unboxing of Vivo T2X 5G. The box of T2X 5G looks like this. On the back, you can see some of the specifications of this phone. 50 megapixel main camera, 5000 mAh battery, extended RAM 3.0, and the variant which I have bought is 6GB RAM, 128GB internal memory, and the color is Aurora Gold. You have two more colors. The price mentioned on this box is 18,999, but I got this phone for approximately 12,000. So without wasting any time, let's open the seal of this phone. On opening the box, you find the phone. Here is the phone. Let's keep the phone aside. Inside you get a TP case for your phone and some booklets, and you also get a travel adapter with the phone. Here is the Type A port, and you get a Type A to Type C cable, and inside you also get a SIM ejector tool. Here is a SIM ejector tool. Here is the phone, Vivo T2X 5G. This is how the phone looks. On the back you can see the Vivo branding. So without wasting any time, let's turn on the phone. On the boot up you can see Vivo 5G powered by Android. Okay guys, the phone has been booted up. The user interface of Vivo T2X 5G looks like this. First let's go to the settings and check the version of Android. Open settings, scroll all the way down and click on about phone, and here you can see that this phone runs on FunTouch OS. This phone is powered by Dimensity 6020 octa-core processor, and the version of Android is Android 13. Let's go back. Let's open the camera and let's take a sample photo. Let's turn on the front facing camera. Here are some sample photos which I have taken using this Vivo T2X. Now let's look at the physical overview of this phone. Vivo T2X has a large display. The size of the display is 6.5-inch Full HD plus LCD display, and it has a 8 megapixel front facing camera. At the top you have the SIM tray. Use the SIM ejector tool which you got inside the box and open the SIM tray. In this phone you can use either two SIM cards or one SIM card and one micro SD card. On the right side you have the volume buttons up and down. You have the power button. This power button acts as a fingerprint scanner on this phone. And coming to the bottom you have the speaker grill and the Type C port for charging, 3.5 mm headphone jack. On the right side you don't have any buttons. And coming to the back, it has a dual camera setup. It has a 50 megapixel main camera and 2 megapixel secondary camera. It also has a flash. That's the physical overview of the phone. So that's it guys. Here is a short unboxing video of Vivo T2X 5G phone. Hope you like this video. Please do subscribe to our channel. Thank you.